The Frienhund 5G Wi-Fi Automatic Cat Feeder is equipped with dual high-definition cameras that allow you to monitor your pet's activities and ensure they are well fed even when you are away from home. The innovative feeding system can be programmed to dispense up to 20 meals per day, each with a maximum of 12 portions, ensuring your pet maintains a healthy diet without your constant supervision. With a generous capacity of 7 liters, this feeder can store enough food to keep multiple pets satisfied for weeks, while the transparent tank makes it easy to keep track of food levels. The thoughtful design includes 2 feeding bowls placed 18.7 inches apart, preventing pets from competing for food and ensuring a peaceful mealtime environment. Cleaning the feeder is effortless thanks to its detachable components, including a BPA-free food tank and dishwasher-safe stainless steel bowls, promoting hygiene and convenience. The feeder supports dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless connectivity and offering peace of mind with its dual power supply system, making it a reliable choice for pet owners.